before. Oh God, you're all I need and more. I know when I'm weak, you're all the strength that I need. You won't ever let me down. I can count on you like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting on you. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm counting on you for everything and more.
Hey friends! Guess who's here with me today? It's the one, the only, the Robotastic. Okay, she's not a robot, but she's still really cool. It's Stacy!
Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy to be here with you today, Cali.
You know what, Stacy?
What?
I wish robots were real. I mean, I wish we saw robots every day. Wouldn't that be cool?
But Cali, robots are real, and you do see them every day.
Callie, triple what, Tick? What?
It's true. I bet you would be surprised at all the robotics right there in your house. I'll show you. Phone, coffee maker, TV, car, speaker, vacuum.
That was incredible!
See? What did I tell you? Robots are everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. I guess I've never thought about it. But stuff like our family car, I call it the Cali-mobile. It would just be a pile of parts if it weren't for robotics.
Yep, it really does change things.
Wow! Speaking of changing things, let's check out our Bible story for today.
It's time for today's Bible story, and it comes from the book of John, chapter 11. A good friend of Jesus named Lazarus was very sick. Lazarus' sisters Mary and Martha sent a message to Jesus to ask him to come right away. But Jesus couldn't get there until days later, and by then, Lazarus already died. Mary and Martha were sad. They both told Jesus that if he could have been there sooner, he would have been able to help their brother. Jesus was sad because they were sad, but he asked them to believe in him. He went to the place where Lazarus was buried. It was called a tomb. They rolled the stone that was in front away, and Jesus prayed and called out to Lazarus, telling him to come out. Now, that seemed like a strange thing to do since the man had been dead for a while now, but to everyone's surprise, Lazarus came back to life and walked out of the tomb. They thought that Jesus couldn't change what happened to Lazarus, but they saw that day, and it proved that Jesus can change anything.
What an amazing story.
Yeah, it made me think of another story.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Well, one day, I was riding in the car, the Cali-mobile, with my dad, and all of a sudden, the car went and stopped. We had to pull over. A nice lady came to help us, and she said we needed a new battery. She put a new battery in the Cali-mobile, and it was like, and we were off again. The car came back to life, just like Lazarus in the story.
Yeah, that is 100% truth, Cali. Jesus can change anything.
Just like a new battery brought the Cali-mobile back to life, Jesus brought Lazarus back to life. But he didn't need a battery, because Jesus can change anything.
You want to get our gears going with another robot dance party?
There is nothing I would rather do. Affirmative. Let's do this. Join us, friends. Let's dance like robots. You know the plan. It's already in your hands. Like what this toy can going and getting robotic with you, friends. Remember, Jesus can change anything. We will see you next time. Bye!
Hey, wait, before you go, click the subscribe button to see more videos. Also, go to our website at churchonthemission.org to see more content with weekly devotionals, coloring sheets, and so much more. See you next time.